Sherry, as more people go back to work and reopen businesses and offices, they're adapting to new safety precautions to stop the spread of COVID-19. Joining us for this week's Doctor on Call, Dr. Malia Sky Harper with TriHealth Corporate Health. Did I say your name right?
You got it.
Very good. All right, so, this is an interesting job you have, and that is helping companies, businesses implement some of this. Tell me a little bit about what you've been doing.
Thanks for having me, Julie.
Good to have you.
Employers are committed more than ever to keeping their workforce healthy and keeping their customers healthy. And so what we're doing through TriHealth is trying to support them through a number of different measures, including temperature screening, helping them do symptom screening as their employees are entering the building. And we've created a return to work guide that covers a number of topics that we think will be useful for companies as they reopen and stay open. And those things include helping them and giving them guidance on deep cleaning measures, social distancing, how to set up their office space, and providing them additional resources on virtual health and well-being programs, stress management. People are stressed as they're returning to work, sleep guidance, just really trying to support them to keep their employees happy and healthy.
Let me ask you this. When we talk about, getting them set up for success, what are companies having to spend, and do they have the capability of having on hand all of the supplies that they need for wiping things down and all of these cleaning supplies and so forth? Is there enough to go around, and what's it costing them?
That's a good point. There are a number of costs associated with reopening. So cleaning supplies are a big issue right now. A lot of companies are struggling to find wipes and different disinfectants, and having to figure out ways to use that appropriately and distribute those items throughout their office and their workspace. And so we're working with them on individual basis to try to make sure that they have what they need. If they need options or guidance on finding different supplies, we're working with them to do that. But it's been a struggle, but most businesses have been successful and are managing.
All right. If people want more information about how they can be in touch with TriHealth to look into whether there's help for them and how that might work, what do you recommend?
So we have a number of resources available on our TriHealth Corporate Health website, and that gives you links to deeper dive topics like testing, antibody testing, mask use, and then also access to our return to work guide, which has a number of links to different websites, including the CDC. So that's a great resource. And as of now, we also have a corporate health employer resource line, which you can also get information on our website that can link you to that resource as well.
Very, very helpful stuff. I sure appreciate your help, Doctor, and all the work you're doing to keep us all safe and moving forward. Have a good Tuesday.
Thank you for having me.
Enjoy this weather today. I see